Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And I'm here at my typical spot in Mongkok. And it's a first look, and I can't believe this day has gone how it has. We got a big global launch coming for the Redmi Note 10 series tonight. But first, I need to show you my first look of the Redmi K40 Pro 5G. And your first look on Frankie Tech of the Redmi K40 Pro. Did I say today was going to be nuts? Yep, I definitely did. And typically a device like this, guys, would get a much more thorough unboxing. But as you know, I've been working towards this global launch of the Redmi Note 10 Pro series, and it's been insane. I have not slept in like 2 days. And so I'm doing my best here to deliver these videos for tonight. But in the meantime, guys, let's take a look at this Redmi K40 Pro, the China variant. And I got the, let's show you guys here. There's the 8GB, 256 gigs of storage version. Apparently the Redmi K40 Pro Plus is not being launched until next month. And so I decided to go with the, I guess, almost top of the line version right here. And let's take a look here at the back and look at it. Look at that back. This is the one I've been waiting for. That beautiful serrated edge back on this Redmi K40 Pro. Initial impressions of the design. You know, I've used the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I can tell you that it is an upgrade from this. This is an upgrade from that device. Not to say the Redmi Note 10 Pro is a poorly built device, but look at that. We even have dual speakers on the top of this variant. And most importantly, let's look at that gorgeous 120 hertz refresh rate display. Let's lower the brightness real quick. It's a bit of a gloomy day, guys, here in Hong Kong. I've been trying to get camera and like footage for my camera comparison, and this is the crap I've been dealing with. But anyways, hope you guys are still able to see this phone in the light, and it looks very beautiful with a 120 hertz refresh rate. Let's check to see if it is actually on 120 hertz. Let's have a look. There it is, 120 hertz. And now, yes, I can definitely tell we are running much more smoothly here on this phone. So obviously, you guys know the specs of this device. Snapdragon 888. We have 8 gigs of RAM, 128, 256 gigs of storage optional. And we got dual speakers, a 4,520 milliampere battery with 33 watt fast charging. And of course, this variant, if I'm not mistaken, is the 64 megapixel AI triple camera. So it's got the IMX686 on board. And this device should still be a camera champ, but it's not going to be to the level of the Pro Plus, which is going to have that HM2 sensor, which, as you guys know, that sensor is a pretty big deal. I think it just launched in India with an HM2 sensor. But guys, the image signal processor of a phone will make a big difference. So that's why this phone with the HM2 is going to deliver some incredible results. But either way, guys, I'm going to be fully testing this device out. And let me tell you, this design, this back is really beautiful. Now, the first thing I'd love to do is be able to compare this to the Redmi Note 10 Pro, which I have in my pocket. But since it's under embargo, I can't really do that. If you guys wanted to see a comparison of those two phones after embargo drops, maybe later this evening, or if I'm pretty exhausted, guys. If not, we can do it tomorrow, and we can do that comparison for you guys as well. But anyways, just a quick first look here of the Redmi K40 Pro. It's looking like a beautiful device, and definitely want to kind of go in depth with this phone and compare it next to phones like the Xiaomi Mi 11, like the S21 Ultra, and many more. Obviously, the Redmi Note 10 Pro launch is coming tonight, so stay tuned, guys. I have 2 incredible videos coming for you all on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. I spent a lot of time working on those, so I really do appreciate all the support. And of course, stay tuned for the full review of this Redmi K40 Pro as well. So it's starting to rain, guys, so I don't want to put this phone to the test here with the water coming down. There you can see it. But once again, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Stay tuned, like I said, for the great launch tonight. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Oh yeah, it's raining all right.